right, so let's look at this problem. It's measurement, and again, I think this is using fractions. Okay. So I'm assuming that you went over this stuff in class, so I'm just going to do it, and then you can tell me if you need more explanation or go through simpler problems. All right, so Kim drives a delivery truck, and she starts at point A, goes to B, C, D, E, and F, and all of the distances are on the diagram. And the question is, Kim's boss, Miguel, wants her to be at point D by the map, point D on the map by noon. How many miles will Kim drive? Well, the distance from A to B, so this is the example problem. Hold on. On page 500. So from point A to B is 12 1/10 of a mile. B to C is 9 1/5. And C to D is 4 4/5. And that's going to be the miles from A to D. Okay. So how I would do this is I would kind of rewrite this as 12 plus 1/10 plus 9 plus 1/5 plus 4 plus 4/5. And then I would rearrange it to get the whole numbers together, 12 plus 9 plus 4, and then the fractions together, 1/5 plus 4/5. That 9 plus 4 is 13, and that is 25. For fractions to be able to add them, you have to get the same number in the numerator. A common multiple is 10, so that's 1/10. 1/5, if I do my work kind of over here, if I take 1/5 and I multiply it by 2 over 2, I'm going to get 2/10, which is the same amount as 1/5, just expressed a little differently. Kind of like 5/10 is the same thing as 1/2. Hopefully that makes sense. So then that would be plus 2/10, and then similarly 4/5 times 2 over 2 is going to be 8/10. So this will be 8/10. Okay. So I get 25 plus 1/10 plus 2/10 is 3/10, plus 8/10 is 11/10. Okay. 11/10 is an improper fraction, which is the same as 10 over 10 plus 1/10. This is 1, so this would be 26 1/10, which would be my answer. I said the answer was 3, so there we go.